The history of Jones Sign begins in 1910, when Andrew Jones opened this storefront in downtown Green Bay. Throughout the years, Jones Signs grew, changing locations and changing hands. John Mortensen and his father Anthony purchased the company in 1982, and John continues as president today. In 2004, Jones Sign moved into its current location. On June 25, 2008, construction started on a major addition to this building. It is now 208,239 square feet in total. All this physical plant growth has been caused by more and more customers being attracted to Jones' offering of innovatively designed and well-made sign products. This customer attraction and loyalty has been earned each day by a dedicated team of craftsmen who love the sign business and have found a home at Jones where they can ply their trade under the best working conditions and for the best customers. The management of Jones has brought together a talented team and challenged them with the most interesting projects in the country. The result of mixing these ingredients has been a happy one, with satisfied customers, loyal employees, and profits to reinvest in the company. Our main manufacturing facility is located just outside of Green Bay, Wisconsin, giving us an excellent shipping point to the entire United States. We have over 200,000 square feet of manufacturing space in our main facility. Jones Sign also has a 60,000-foot manufacturing facility in Juarez, Mexico. Between these two facilities, we're ready to take on your project, no matter the size or location. At Jones Sign, we believe that sign manufacturing works best if most all components are made in-house. So we've invested time, money, and careful planning into the design of our manufacturing center. This manufacturing space has unique qualities which give us maximum efficiency, while at the same time giving us the flexibility to handle our wide variety of jobs. Our bridge cranes bring the big jobs down to earth. Each bridge crane has a 20-ton lifting capability. That's 40,000 pounds. Jones believes strongly in taking care of our clients and our workers. So we have experienced safety and quality control full-time staff. We have all the machinery, equipment, and processes in place to be the most efficient sign manufacturer. Jones Sign takes pride in our level of organization. Organization means efficiency, and efficiency means your job gets done better, faster, and more economically. Throughout the Jones Sign shop, you'll see terminals like this. These provide up-to-the-minute information to workers on all jobs, including design changes, color approvals, material arrivals, and time budgets. These computers track the cost in materials and labor for every Jones Sign project. This database allows us to price future work that is similar in a very competitive manner. In 2010, Jones Sign implemented a new level of organization. Every manufacturing employee at Jones Sign has a detailed plan for their every workday. The new workday brings a new schedule, with assignments for each employee every hour of the day. Our employees know what's expected and are graded on meeting that expectation. Besides our own quality control and combination of lean manufacturing and cellular manufacturing, we have outside inspections from Underwriters Laboratory. All our products are labeled and comply with standards of UL 48. Jones Sign has the equipment and personnel to handle any installation, and we have handled everything from store hours vinyl on a local office to all the signs for major regional malls, bank changeovers encompassing hundreds of locations, huge letters near the top of 30-story buildings, installations in the heart of Chicago, New York, Boston, Miami, Charlotte, and more. We do stadiums and convention centers, arenas and office buildings, VA hospitals and retail stores, single locations, and national programs. We have 8 of our own large crane trucks, 1 semi with a specialized double-drop trailer, and 35 other pieces of equipment: service trucks, vans, trailers, swing stages, snorkel lifts, articulating lifts. But most of all, we have experience and know-how. The most difficult installations are easy when you can call upon past jobs and how they were done. Besides our own personnel, we know who is good at sign installation around the country, as we have built up a network of relationships with local sign install firms throughout North America. We can call on them to help make sure your project is installed right, regardless of where it is. We make pragmatic decisions about which jobs to travel for, which jobs have to be handled by a network installer, and which requires both. This same group works to keep all signs lit for years after install. As you can see, Jones makes all types of signs. Here are some common types of letters utilizing neon, LED, and various lighting options such as halo lit, front lit, and day-night film. Jones Sign mission is to create the products you need on time, on budget, and at the highest level of quality. Our manufacturing method is key to achieving our mission. We utilize cellular manufacturing. Cellular manufacturing minimizes steps. That means no wasted time and no confusion. Your order stays together every step of the way. This section of our manufacturing space is divided into cells. Each cell has a cell leader and 2 fabricators. The cell leader is a master fabricator. Our average cell leader has been with Jones Sign for 15 years, and many have been with Jones Sign for 20 to 25 years. Their experience gives our company strength. The cellular manufacturing process begins here with the raw materials. A dedicated workforce is responsible for supplying the cell with the materials necessary for a job. That way, the cell workers never have to leave their cells. Now, a job that could take 120 hours can be completed in 40 hours. That's the power of cellular manufacturing. Packaging is a side to the sign industry you might never think of. And with Jones Sign, you won't have to. We take packaging very seriously. We use custom-built crates, 1-inch bubble wrap, carpet padding, white foam, whatever it takes to ensure that when our product reaches your site, it's perfect. Great packaging means no surprises, and your product getting installed on time. At Jones Sign, we take installations very seriously. Jones Sign has a fleet of 8 crews that go out nationwide. Our boom trucks go all the way from an 80-foot reach to a 150-foot reach. From 10,000 pounds to 35,000 pounds of lifting capability. On all major projects, we only send Jones Sign crews. Many accounts, especially national accounts, come with special requirements. Let us know what your needs are, and we'll make it easy to work out the details. Jones Sign boasts one of the very few 5-axis 360-degree water jet machines in the country. Our machine is a 5-axis, so it can cut any shape or material possible needed for a sign or decoration. This machine allows us to go beyond the constraints of normal sign manufacturing and say that we can truly build whatever you can imagine. We vacuum form faces for the signs which the customer wants this on. We can go up to 8 foot by 16 foot in one piece and can seam to any size. Vacuum forming allows letters to be embossed and faces to have unique shapes like convex, concave, and more. Our loading facility boasts a unique feature. We designed it so that 2 full semis could be driven fully into the facility to be loaded at the same time. And of course, beyond the specialized loading wells and equipment, we have all the standard semi-docks and forklift equipment used in manufacturing facilities. Jones Sign has 4 double downdraft booths and a 5th in the works. The level of air filtering in these rooms is impressive, and finishes are automotive quality. These booths also include a bake feature. Jones Sign is proud to be a Matthews Paint certified paint applicator. Matthews Paint was developed specifically for the sign industry. Matthews Paint has an 8-year longevity against fading and pollutant elements. With Matthews Paint and the booth's bake feature, Jones Sign is more than comparable to any powder-coated process. Another way not all sign companies are created equal. Jones Sign acid etches everything we paint. Acid will clean all of the impurities off and make surfaces receptive for painting.